looking for rainbow trout. We're in Essex. The roads were terrible just a little while ago, but things are slowly improving. But it's likely to change here as we continue up in elevation. We'll see. We'll see if we make it. It has deteriorated. Pretty strong winds, glare ice. Haven't gotten to the top of the pass yet. Yeah, not sure what it's going to be like on the other side, but we'll find out. Rolling into the lovely town of Browning. 22 degrees. Gale out of the north. This is verging on moronic, but I'm good at that, so we'll see. Well, we made it to Mission Lake Road. We're not gonna get stuck right here, at least, which is good. Just need the wind to die down, which is asking a lot on the Ritz. I'm not gonna lie, it's cold out. Oh God. Maybe. It's gonna take some nice fish to make this worth it, but I'm here now. We'll see what happens. Well, it worked. I showed up at Mission Lake and I've hooked a fish. Pretty nice one. 23, 24 maybe. Hopefully we'll get a look at him. Six weight just doesn't have the gusto. It's the 8 weight. That's kind of fun. 6 weight. There's my 2. Ooh, look at the size of that thing. I bet that's 24, close to it. What a pig. Oh my goodness.